Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, this time I will explain about the DHCP server at static ARP configuration. Definition: Address Resolution Protocol, or an abbreviation of ARP, is a protocol in TCP IP that is responsible for resolving IP address, intermediate access control, MAC address. This configuration is intended to score the router if a client wants to modify the configuration on the router by using an application where the local IP address configuration use static. The way ARP works is to match the IP address and MAC address for each client connected to the network. Open the Winbox. The router has configured the DHCP server with IP 20.20.20.1/24 Ether 2 interface configuration. Now that the router is configuration DHCP server, then enter the IP DHCP server print. Enter. Configure ARP on DHCP server by entering the command IP DHCP server set numbers IP DHCP server set numbers 0 at ARP. Yes. Enter. If you have confirmed whether the ARP is active by entering the IP DHCP server print. Enter. Configure ARP on the interface then change ARP to reply only mode by entering the command set Ethernet Ether 2 ARP reply only. Interface Ethernet set Ether 2 ARP reply only. Enter. Then whether the ARP status on the interface has been changed by entering the Internet Ether print command. Connect. Status reply only to Ether 2. Perform a test by connection the PC to the MikroTik router by adding a local IP static to the same network as the IP router. Open network. Change adapter option. Enter. Properties. Internet protocol. Select use the following IP address. Okay. Test in SMD to IP router. Ping 20.20.20.1. Enter. can be seen that the status request timeout, which means the router is not responding to requests from client. However, if the client uses by dynamically, the client can connect to the router by change the IP address automatically. Properties. Select obtain an IP address automatically. Okay. Status details. Then the client automatically gets the IP from the router. Test to IP router. You can see that the reply status indicates that the client has received a response from the router. So the discussion from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.